Hello all, Simon Toohey here for Dilmah Tea, and I am showing you an amazing little day-to-day snack or beautiful dish called the banana bread. I know we all know it, but it's a wonderful dish that you can use when you've got bananas that you've had for too long. And bananas being, like tea, the most consumed product in the world, bananas being one of the most consumed fruits and tea being one of the most consumed liquids, I'm using, in the Arana range from Dilmah, the Strength. And this has got amazing things like Honeybush, cinnamon, what else have we got in here? We've got coriander seed. It is a beautiful, beautiful tea. I put 4 bananas into a bowl, and it's best when they're overripe and mushy, slightly dark on the flesh. That's when the sugars are really activated and they're super, super sweet. You can use normal bananas, but I guarantee you this way is better. Mush those up with a potato masher, right? That's all you want, nice and rough, because you want beautiful flavors of sweet banana after you've baked it. It's delicious. From there, adding some brown sugar and plant-based sour cream. You can use regular sour cream if you like, both are fine. Stir that through, get that all dissolved in, beautiful, ready to go. Happy, happy days. On top of that, I've got some chia seeds, 2 tablespoons with some water. That is gonna be my alternative to egg. Mix that through. And then putting in some olive oil. That goes in, mix that through, and make sure everything is nice and amalgamated together. Finally, you got your flour and you got your baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. You want to sift that through with a bit of salt, fold that through. Make sure there's no dry flour left, and you're done. That is it. That is the fastest ever and most moist banana bread I think you'll ever have. Pour that into a loaf tin lined with a bit of butter and flour or oil and flour, maybe some baking paper so it comes out really easy. Pour the mixture in. You have 1 more banana left if you do. Slice that. You can use a normal ripe banana here. Slice that down the middle after you've peeled it. Layer it on top. And then of course, don't forget the most important part of this, the tea. Take a tea bag out, pour it into a mortar and pestle with a teaspoon of sugar and grind it to a powder, and then sprinkle it over the top. Pull out the banana bread from the oven after an hour at 180 degrees. Check it at 50 minutes, skewer in. If it comes out clean, it's ready. But if not, keep cooking until the skewer comes out clean. Take it out of the oven, put it on your bench, and let it cool. Slice a bit, lather it with your favorite butter, margarine, even olive oil again. It is absolutely beautiful. Sprinkle of salt on top. The Arana range, using the Strength tea from Dilmah, absolutely fantastic with my take on a banana bread.